Hi everyone, it's Tolly. I'm going to be explaining free response question number 3 with the focus periodic trends and atomic structure. As you can see in the periodic table shown below, as you move to the left and as you move down on the periodic table, the atomic radius will increase. This is because moving to the left, the orbitals are less full, which means there's less attraction in the same distance. It is the atomic radius increases as you move down the periodic table because there are more orbitals. So the electrons are further away from the nucleus, which is where the protons are. Additionally, if you have a higher electron affinity, you're also going to have a higher ionization energy and vice versa. Okay, question 1. Potassium is going to have a lower first ionization energy than lithium. Potassium is number 19 on the periodic table and lithium is number 3. Using this knowledge, you can know that potassium is going to be bigger than lithium. It's going to have a lower electron affinity and therefore a lower ionization energy. So that is your answer to A. For B, the ionic radius of N3- is going to be larger than that of O2-. They have the same amount of electrons because they're both ions, but the oxygen is going to have an extra proton because oxygen is number 8 and nitrogen is number 7 on the periodic table. Because of that extra proton in the oxygen ion, there's going to be more attraction to the to the electrons. The extra proton in the oxygen means more attraction to the electrons, sorry about that, than in the nitrogen ion. So the more attraction in the oxygen would make it smaller than the nitrogen, which is why the ionic radius of N3- is going to be larger than that of O2-. Again, apologies for that nitrogen electron mix-up. A calcium atom is going to be larger than a zinc atom. We can know this just if we look at the periodic table. Calcium is number 20, zinc is number 30. Zinc is going to have a smaller atomic radius because it is further to the right, which means the orbitals are more full. Finally, boron is going to have a higher first ionization energy than beryllium. That means that beryllium is going to have a lower first ionization energy. If we look at beryllium, it's number 4, whereas boron is number 5. If beryllium is number 4, it means the atomic radius is going to be bigger. It's going to have less electron affinity and a lower ionization energy. If beryllium has a lower ionization energy than boron has a higher first ionization energy than beryllium. All right, that's it for today. I wrote down my answers to all of these. So feel free to, pause the video here and jot down notes. Good luck on whatever you're studying for. And that's going to be it.